guy is stupid.
So Apple has done some stupid things in the past, such as dropping the headphone jack, popularizing this abomination at the front and at the back as well. But recently, they have been on a good side, such as launching a $400 phone, pricing the iPhone 11 cheaper than its predecessor, the iPhone 10 and more. They are also expected to price the new 5G iPhone 12 variant the same as the iPhone 11 variant. So all of this was making us believe that Apple is no longer the company we used to despise in the past. But it seems we all got it wrong. They are back doing those stupid things again. This time they will no longer include charger inside the box. Yes, you heard that right, a charger. You need to buy it separately now. Ming Chiku, a famous Apple analyst, says Apple is doing to keep the price of the iPhone 12 variant down. Also, the 5G networking component on the iPhone 12 series will increase the cost, and Apple wants to sell the iPhone 12 at almost the same price as iPhone 11. That is the reason Apple is going to pass 100% of the cost saving directly to the final prices. But the problem is nobody is going to see it like that, even if it is true, because the charger is the basic need for a phone. Without it, the phone can't even function. You just imagine you go to the Apple store to buy the iPhone 12 Pro, spend over $1,000 and come back home only to find that the phone is running out of juice. There is no charger to charge it. If the phone was required to connect to a computer, then it could be somewhat justified that the computer will act as a charger. But when the iPhone is completely standalone and you are purchasing a $700 to $1,100 that you cannot use after one charge without another $30 purchase, is beyond insane. Yeah. So I see a lot of people already on Twitter predominantly shamelessly defending this idea, saying they have a lot of old chargers laying around. This move from Apple makes a total sense. Listen, a tech-savvy person who upgrades his phone year over year and sometimes twice a year may have more than 2 chargers laying around, but an average consumer doesn't. Remember, people sell their old phones with chargers and earbuds included, so if they want the new iPhone, then this is going to cost them $63.15 to replace the earbud and the 18-watt fast charger that the iPhone Pro models come with it. Somewhat acceptable for them to not include the earbuds. The phone is completely usable without them. Bluetooth headphones have the norm these days, and it is rare to see anyone using wired headphones these days. Although I hate the fact they forced us to use Bluetooth headphones. But without a freaking charger, a basic necessity for a smartphone is not acceptable by any means, not today and not tomorrow. Maybe once we get true wireless charging where we don't need to output on a mat and it gets charged over the air. Until that doesn't happen, the cable is from where we are going to charge it, and charging brick is absolutely necessary. By the way, a lot of you think this isn't a big deal for you because you're on Android, but if history is any indication, then these Android companies will shamelessly follow this stupid trend by Apple. Just like they did it with the headphone jack and that ugly notch, and will take us back to a time where Android was the joke platform to Apple and its obsessed followers. I don't know, but it sure looks bad and feels even worse as someone who covers Android for a living to know that this could possibly transition to the Android world as well. Anyway, let me know what you think. Do you find it acceptable to not have a freaking charger inside the box when you pay over $1,000 for a phone? Let me know down in the comment section below. Thanks guys, see you next. Peace out.